Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to go over step by step how you can quickly and easily create your very own unique cartoon characters. The first thing you will need to do after you've created a new document is find a reference image you want your character to be based on and import it onto a new layer. Start by creating a new layer, then open the Actions window and hit Add. Then press Insert a Photo and select your image. Give it a try. Once we have our image, we are going to need to lower its opacity. This will help us focus on our line work while also being able to see our reference image. The last thing we're going to do before we draw is select quite a bold brush like this 6B pencil. Now we're ready to go. When creating your line work, feel free to follow your reference as much or as little as you like. It's only a guide. We can even exaggerate different features and add accessories like a scarf or a bag to give our drawing some personality. Color is a great way to make your character stand out. When adding color to your character, don't feel obligated to stick to the ones used in your reference image. Try to experiment with different color combinations to make your design unique. A good habit to practice when adding color is to work non-destructively. That means using multiple layers when painting. This will make it a lot easier to make changes later on if you need to. Give it a try and take your time. Now that we have our character design, we can start to bring them to life by setting a scene. We can create an environment and other individuals for our character to interact with. Here we can develop our character's unique personality and backstory. Creating a scene will also allow us to expand on our character by drawing them in different situations and with different expressions. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And don't forget to leave a comment on what you want to see next. See you in the next video.